Okay, my fans, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if that's the first time where they come, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you want to find the inverse of matrix, what will be the first thing we go do? You will sabi the model. What I mean by the model? Now things where we say now the rule we suppose know. So see, for inverse of matrix, before you go get the inverse of matrix, you go ask yourself, see whether the determinant we get now zero. If the determinant of a matrix, maybe say the matrix na matrix A, na equal to 0, that means you no go fit find the inverse of that matrix. But if the determinant no be is not equal to 0, if you find the determinant of that, if you find the inverse of that matrix. Remember I say if the determinant of a particular matrix wey you dey find, for this one na matrix Q, if I find the determinant of this thing and the answer wey I get na 0, I no go fit find the inverse of that matrix because e no go exist. You know say 0 times any this are the line for you. But then if the determinant of any matrix we I find no be 0, then we fit find the inverse of that particular matrix. Remember say for you to find determinant, if they give you matrix A equal to, I go use alphabet A, B, C, D like this. And they can say make I find the inverse of this matrix. The first thing I go find na determinant of this matrix A. How I want to get determinant of matrix A? I go multiply the inverse, the diagonal of this particular matrix. I will multiply this element, the diagonals like this. That means A times D, give me AD minus, where this minus come from? Again, minus where they exist here. When they multiply the diagonals, if they work for 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 no dey like that too. Then B times C go give me BC. So when I don't finally get this particular determinant of matrix, to find the inverse of this matrix A, see now, inverse of matrix A, it will be equal to 1 over the determinant of matrix A, maybe the one we go get when you don't solve this one. If this one's na numbers, 1 over determinant of A multiply by, what you can get now, these two, you go switch them, D go come here, B go come. Immediately D go up, A come here, these two wey dey like this, you no go change them, but you go add minus sign to them. See am? Immediately I carry D go up, D come up here, carry A come down here. This B and C wey dey here, we just add minus to them. Then finally, anything we get, I can multiply each of these elements of this particular matrix. You don't get the answer with that. This thing will show you now the model, now the rule we will carry follow. Okay, make we apply them for this particular one. I'll say this simple. Let me make it simplify and take them bit by bit. Now, what you will do for this one? The first thing is to find the determinant of this matrix Q. To find the determinant of this matrix Q, determinant of matrix Q, wait I tell you, say make you do. See them now. You go multiply the diagonals, multiply this one, multiply this one. Remember, say again, negative sign which exists for this particular place. Don't forget to, we need a 2 put down, but just no say negative sign there. So 1 times 2 will give you 2 minus that negative sign what they tell you about. Then negative 4 times 3 will give you waiting, negative 12. So determinant of matrix Q will equal to 2 minus times minus now plus 2 plus 12. This one will give us 14. This is the determinant of matrix Q, no be 0. Now waiting, now 14. So now we don't get determinant of a matrix, say no be equal to 0, say now 14. So if you find the inverse of this matrix Q, how I want to find the inverse? I don't tell you now. See the rule again. Inverse of matrix Q. See matrix Q here. Man use Q now, no be A. So inverse of matrix Q like this equal to 1 over the determinant. 1 over the determinant of matrix Q like this. Then you come multiply them by, remember this thing now I tell you make you swap these two. 2 go come here, 1 go come here. This one and this one, you will just add negative sign here, negative. But because this one carry negative, we change it to positive. So here will be negative 3. This one will become positive 4 because it already carry negative follow come. So negative we supposed to come join now. We multiply this negative to turn to waiting positive. Here that be what you can do now for this place now. Remember, say determinant of this matrix Q. Determinant of matrix Q, we don't get them already as waiting as 14. So you can't get Q inverse with inverse of matrix Q equal to 1 over 14 into 2, 4, negative 3, 1. So now you can use 1 over 14 multiply each of these things. How? See, I might use this one point carried one. So 1 over 14 times 2, meaning 1 times 2, 1 times 2 will give me 2 over 14. That will be the 1 over 14 times 2. 1 over 14 times 2. That means 1 multiplied by 2 give you 2 over 14. Then 1 over 14 times also 4. You give me waiting 4 over 14. Again, 1 over 14 times negative 3. Negative 3 over 14. Again, 1 over 14 times 1. It will still be 1 over 14. So now the answer be this. So, but if you feel say one break down anything, if you break down no wahala. If you see say 2, if you go into 14, 2 go into itself, now 1 over, if you go into 7, now into 14 now 7 times. So 1 over 7 go there. Enter be 2 fit still go into 4 and 14. It will give you 2 over 7. This one will just dey the way it dey. Then 1 over 14. This thing na be the answer. Na be the inverse of this matrix Q. This one dey work for inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. No be so for inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Inverse of 3 by 3 matrix carry your own for body. So, but then if you want me to do that one, put am for comment section. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, make other students to come learn the inverse of it, because if they come for exam, I'm not gonna lie for you now. I go lie for you. I'm not gonna lie for you now. So now all I get for you for this video, and I hope say you don't subscribe. I hope you don't like. I hope you don't share this video. Peace and love.